This is the Giantlin QT4-18 block machine. This machine it is a medium-sized, fully automatic hydraulic system concrete block production line. This machine could produce hollow blocks, solid block, interlocking bricks, color face pavements, and curved stones by changing modes. This is a popular block machine. This is a mixer. This is a conveyor. This is a host brick machine QT4-18 block machine. This one it is a hydraulic station. This one it is a full automatic PLC controller. This one is a block receiver. And this one is a stacking machine. Okay, let me show details one by one for you. Mousse, mixer, this is a block machine, material hopper. This is pallet box, and this part it is a pallet system, feeding system.哎呦！不要，我自己来讲，这样就行。This is motor for material mixing in brick machine. Vibration motor. Mold box, head mold. Sender. material hopper conveyor. This is sensor. Pellet feeder sender. Same steep gear. Block receiver. Stacking machine. G2 is a touch screen. It can touch and control the machine. This machine have two functions: semi-automatic and this is full automatic. This is drawing of all wires connection and some instructions. This is PLC. You can see we have max, or max, or max, or max. Hydraulic extension motor, oil pump. You can see this direction must rotation direction must correct. If not correct, hydraulic extension work, but machine not work. This is the water cooler system. One come, one out. Use tube. Sensor. You can see here if mental, this part is mental close it, lighten, out, not lighten. So this will prove this sensor is okay, it can work.